Hey, I've been looking at the downtown Atlanta market, particularly two zip codes, and those two zip codes that cover most of downtown that you know to be near the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, downtown along Marietta Street, Edgewood, those buildings, the fairly popular district, that area is one area of downtown. And then the other would be Castleberry Hill, which is a loft district, is a good way to put it. And a lot of renovated old industrial and light commercial buildings from the turn of the 20th century have now been converted into residential. And there's even higher density because of the demand of being right there in one of the hottest parts of Georgia, if not the Southeast, downtown Atlanta. So what's going on downtown is pretty exciting. However, the inventory is condos, lofts, and townhouses. There's not a lot of single family homes for sale. There's a handful, like less than 12. And you have to go really find where they are. But condos, lofts, and townhomes dominate this market. I want to share with you quick high-level statistics because when you're looking into 2026 at the kind of inventory that's available in downtown, and then you measure it against what's actually under contract and what's actually sold, it's not the easiest time to be a seller in downtown Atlanta. So the active listings right now, total units, condos, lofts, and townhomes, 64 units for sale. Average price is $290,122. The lowest price down there is $97,000. You can get a one bedroom, one bath, maybe a studio for $97,000 downtown. The highest price is $805,000, and that's very likely a townhouse or a super luxury loft in Castleberry Hill. So the pending sales, that's the trouble. There's only two under contract. Now, there's active under contract, a total of 2 as well. That's 4 out of 64. So that's not even 10%. And certainly that is anemic when you're measuring markets. So those that are under contract are right around the same price of the average price in the high 200s. And then what's sold is a total of 90. So when you measure that out over the course of the months, really moving 3 or 4 a month downtown anyway. Actually a little higher earlier this year. And that means sales have slowed down. So the average sold price compared to that average list price, sold is $371, $332. So list prices have actually dropped from the annual average sale. Downtown Atlanta sellers really need to wake up and look at the facts.